First, we lift the scrap pole. Then we start to change the punching mode. Turn off the waste motor button. Loosen the scrap roll. To make more space for punching blister. Loosen the screw. Then we lift the punching mode. Careful, it is heavy. Loosen the 2-air pipe. Loosen the bottom screw. Careful with the spacer. Take out the rest mold. Change to new mode and keep it no dust. Before we change to new one, we should change the new spacer plate first. Find the new spacer plate. It has different thickness. The new one is thicker. Put the new plate. Put the new punching mode. Fix the screw. Take out the blister transition plate. Here is a slope here. Use to adjust the direction. Put down the transition plate. It is mobile. Then we find manual frame on screen. Find the cross cylinder. Turn off. To move back the transition plate. Then check the space is suitable or not. Then we back to fix the screw. Then put the heavy part of the new mold. Notice there is a railing the front direction. Take out the spacer before we put down the mold. There are two set mold having different thickness punching knife. The other is same thickness. Put the ball bearing edge. Connect the air pipe. Fix the ball bearing cage manually. Then press the inching button. To adjust the punching mode, move up and down. Keep going, adjust the cage manually. Press the inching button again. Make sure the cage is in the right direction. Fix the screw. Press inching button again. We can see the cage has inside the mold now. Loosen the bottom screw. To adjust the direction of punching mode, loosen screw make it easier to adjust the direction. Make sure the direction is right. Check the number, both in the upper and bottom. Here is a groove. Don't make each wrong direction. Then we press inching button again. Let the bottom be infinitely close to the upper. Then we fix the bottom screw. The purpose is making sure that our knife punching directly without friction. Press inching again. Open the punching mode. Done.